Alright guys, so we are live because of a tornado warning, so if I can just find a good radar to use. I'm assuming this is the Boston one. And I believe that is our tornado warning storm. That is definitely a tornadic situation. Yep, there's our tornado warning right there. This is a radar indicated rotation, so let's see. National Weather Service in Boston / Norton has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts and northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. EDT. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Orange, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The hazard is a tornado and quarter-sized hail. Flying, the source was a radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. And this dangerous storm will be near Phillipston around 4:50. So you got 2 minutes to get to your safe place in Phillipston. Templeton around 4:55. So you guys have about 7 minutes there to get into your safe place. Gardner and Winchendon, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong, around 5 p.m. So there you guys have 12 minutes. And then Westminster and Ashburnham around 5:10. So there you guys have about 20 minutes. But that is a very well-defined tornadic circulation, and that may be a debris signature right there. So, actually, I'm going to circle that and line it up with where our rotation is.
Yep. Alright, I'm in front of Connor.
I'm going to circle that, then put on the correlation coefficient. And that may honestly be a debris signature right there. So we may have a tornado on the ground right now, moving towards Winchendon. Once again, I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Downtown Gardner, you guys are in the clear, but uptown, let me see if I can find road names here. Jean Street, West Street, Way Street, and State Route 101. You guys are in this tornado warning. So I'd take your proper tornado precautions now. Luckily, this is our only tornado warning that we have right now. So I won't need to be bouncing around with this thing. But I believe that is our tornado signature. We got some very good sized hail in there as well.
Is it very good, Noah?
Check the hydrometeor classification. And on this it says all the hail's on the back side of it. So, honestly, this purple may be debris. That purple right there. Right. I'm going to circle that heavy rain core and see if that correlates to the coefficient. And yeah, I believe that may be debris.
Does believe, guys.
So if that is debris, this thing's hang up in the direction of Winchester. Actually, let me see which way is it moving. Moving east at, what was it, 30? 25. So, You are in Winchendon. Please take your tornado precautions now. You guys have about 3 minutes in this tornadic debris signature. If this is a debris signature, we'll be moving into Winchendon in about 3 minutes. This is, if I can find Boston. Here's Boston. This storm is only about 47 miles away from Boston. And only if I can find Gillette. Foxborough is roughly around there. So this tornado warning's out 47 miles once again from Gillette Stadium in Foxborough.
What?
I'm going to close that out. I'm going to look at the velocity signature again. And it's broadened out a little bit, but still. I'm actually going to take a look at it from... It looked like it had some rotation with it before, but as soon as it crossed over through orange, that's when the circulation really became apparent. And that's when they issued the new... Oh, my. Well, that's a very strong signature right there. It looks like the...
Noah, shut up!
No.
Yes, you don't have to scream.
I'm screaming.
Yes, I can hear you all the way from the bathroom with both doors shut while I'm peeing. So yes, you are screaming. And I'm screaming at you because you will not listen. No one is listening to your weather reports, okay?
Why does it say 2 watching then?
Because Jackson's watching it and you're watching it.
So it says 2 watching, so...
Because Jackson's watching it and you're watching it.
Yeah, but people are watching it.
Jackson is.
Yeah,
One person.
Jackson's still a person, right?
Yeah, but he doesn't care about weather. He's doing it for me and Noah. He doesn't care.
All I'm hearing coming from your mouth is meh, 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 meh,
Yeah,
meh,
you're
meh.
Helen Keller. You don't know how to hear.
Anyway, our rotation is...
Anyway, shut up.
No.
Yes.
No, you don't tell me what to do.
Yes, I do tell you what to do.
Nope, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Nope,
I do.
you don't, though.
Yes, I do. I tell you what to do.
You don't, though.
You live under my roof, I tell you what to do.
So... Our rotation is... Oh my, that is...
I'm just going to be completely honest with you. No one cares about rotation.
Our rotation is roughly over State Route 202. I believe that's State Route.
Beavis and Butthead Jack.
Our rotation is over Baldwinville State Road right now. So if you guys or someone you know is driving around that road and new velocity scan has just came in,
My dad had something in there.
so this rotation is near Jocelyn Road. So if you know anyone who lives there, please call them.
Guys, breaking news. There's a tornado in Kenya. Guys, breaking news. There is a hurricane.
Ethel in Royalston. I believe I can give you guys an all clear.
If you don't know what Kenya
Packard
is,
Heights,
on TikTok.
Tully, Westhill, Baptist Corners, and West Royalton. You guys are in all clear from the storm. Harrisville, Senior Safe Place. I'm not answering that, Max. Baldwinville, Senior Safe Place.
What Jackson says if someone really cares about the tornado and is watching Noah, they're going to die.
Tornado warning continues for... Tornado warning continues for Winchendon, Baldwinville, and South Ashburnham until 5:30. So this tornadic rotation is moving towards Old North Ashburnham Station, and next up would be North Ashburnham, and then Ashburnham. You guys as well will soon be in this. Athol and Orange and Warwick, you guys are all in the clear from this tornado. You guys may have more tornadoes in the future, but from this storm, you guys are in all clear. This doesn't have the classic hook echo shape anymore, but looking at the velocities, that's still a strong rotation. And this is soon going to move out of the warning area, so I expect a new tornado warning be issued soon for Ashby and Fitchburg.
Right now. I hope you know that.
Yeah, does it look like I care?
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
Yes. It does.
Townsend and Lunenburg, you guys as well, so...
No one cares about Hamburg. Completely honest with you.
You know what, Max? If you don't like it, you can leave.
No. If you don't like it, you can leave. I'm not actually going to leave, though. You're not being Fortnite Pogs right now. Like, what if I tell on you?
For what?
Being a meanie.
Oh, like you try to get me in trouble for saying I pushed you?
Yeah, last night I told him. I can't say it because he's on stream. He's just going to tell my parents. He pushed me.
I didn't push you. You're making that up in your fantasy
How am I
world.
making it up? If you push me, that's child abuse. You're 16.
This is a very strong rotation now, this storm. We got... The rotation is likely probably right there, right there. I'm leaning it towards it being right there, but as I said, we can't, like, oh my gosh, I can't speak.
Noah Joel is very mean.
I'm very mean. Yeah, but this storm doesn't have that classic hook shape anymore, but
I don't care.
actually that may be the hook echo right there. Feeding the warm air, the warm moist air into the storm and feeding the rotation. So yeah, with that being said,
With that being said, no one cares.
That's our rotation right there.
It's not. It's a circle. No, could you please explain to what a rotation is?
No, Max, I'm not. Because people aren't stupid.
Explain things. You just say it off the thing. You don't even read it. You just say it off the stuff that you're reading. You literally just read what it says on there. You don't come up with anything. Someone could sue you for copywriting. Because you're not reading your own stuff.
Alright.
And send it to me so
You're really going to tell me because I said Ashburnham?
You just said it again!
You're acting stupid, Max.
Why are you swearing? Honestly, man. It's not cool, Noah. I don't know why you think it's so cool because you swear.
And swear, though. Westminster, you guys are in the clear. Pittsburgh, I'd give it 5 more minutes just to see what this storm does, because I don't see any tornadic rotation anymore.
Noah!
Yeah, Max?
No one asked.
Well, too bad.
I asked? Alright, it's not on Game Pass.
Yeah, but I don't see any tornadic circulation with this system anymore, so I believe the National Weather Service will most likely...
National Weather Service. I'm gonna be completely honest. You don't not believe one thing in the National Weather Service. So. You know what? Who asked?
So funny, Max.
I know. You think it's funny? Let's go. Unlike you.
Yeah, but I'm not seeing any tornadic circulation with this storm system anymore. So I believe that the National Weather Service in Boston will most likely cancel this. However, there is a hook trying to form over here near Townsend, which now has diminished a bit.
Ash.
Max, stop swearing.
Ash. I said Ash.
No, you're not.
I just said Ash.
No, you aren't.
I just said Ash 3 times.
Max.
Ash is a bad word now.
No, I'm just saying it because when I said...
A-S-H? No, because you actually said it.
I said Ashburn. Him.
No. That's not what you said.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, nice try lying, buddy.
I'm not lying.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Buddy, stop lying, buddy. Buddy, you're not that guy. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy.
Yeah, but I don't see any tornadic rotation anymore with this system, so I believe that the National Weather Service will most likely cancel this warning. Then it'll go off and do whatever it wants. But this system up here will need to be watched carefully. I don't see any rotation with it, but actually, hold up. Give me a minute. I'm going to circle this and see if it correlates with what I'm seeing on the high-res reflectivity.
No, shut up.
And we may have a tornadic circulation in between Pepperhill and Townsend. I'm not saying that there's a tornadic
No, what do you mean
circulation
you're not saying?
there.
You mean the website's not saying? You just copy whatever the website says.
No, Max, I do.
I can't even see what I gave you.
Alright. So, yeah, I don't see any tornadic circulation with this thing anymore. Yeah, and I believe they're just going to cancel the warning. So, let me get out some all clears now. Harrisville, Baldwinville, Winchendon, and Gardner. You guys are in the all clear from this storm. South Ashburnham and Ashburnham, stay in your safe place for another 5 minutes or so. And then North Ashburnham, I can probably give you guys an all clear in about 5 minutes. Blackburn Village, you guys stay in your safe place for probably about 20 more minutes. Then again, though, this is all depending on whether or not the National Weather Service decides to just let this warning ride out or if they decide to cancel it. Because as I've said, I don't see any tornadic circulation with this system anymore. New velocity scanners just came in, and yeah, I don't see anything. Really high cloud tops, though.
Yeah, really, really high. Higher than Noah.
That's about 47 feet up in the air, so we have some pretty good cloud tops.
Jackson.
And then up here, we have near Nashua, we have cloud tops up to 57 feet. Velocity scan, and yeah, this morning this circulation, or what's left of it, is going to go out of the warning area pretty soon. So as I've said, Baldwinville, Parker Station, and South Royalston, you guys are all in the clear from this system. Velocity scanners just came in, and yeah, I believe this is turning into more of a wind threat now than a tornado threat. And if there would be a rotation, it would probably be right there, but I don't see anything. New velocity scan, and yeah, this what's left of the rotation is moving out of the warning area, so this will probably be done. This warning will probably be canceled within the next 5 minutes. Now, if the rotation was as strong as it was back here, I could see a new warning being issued for this area, but since it hasn't re-strengthened, I just don't see them issuing a new warning. So, while I'm on the live stream, let's actually take a look at the new advisory on potential tropical cyclone 5. So, they have said that tropical disturbance in the Atlantic is becoming better organized, and tropical storm watches issued for portions of the Western Antilles. Then the remnants of Enrique, or however the heck you say it, has dissipated over the southern Gulf of California, and that's the last advisory issued for that system. So we're down to working one system in the Atlantic, and that's potential tropical cyclone 5. I believe that this thing will most likely be a tropical storm.
You know what robot it is, Noah?
What?
What? You said working system. Like what? Is it like a game console or a robot? Like what's going on?
I don't think I ever said that. I think you're making up words.
You said working system, Noah.
Yeah, I said we're working one system.
Yeah, what system? Like is it like an Xbox or PS4?
You're not this stupid, Max. Figure it out.
No, I can't. I'm dumb. Like what is it? What is it, man?
I'm not saying it.
What?
What?
Yeah.
So this is about 1,195 miles east of the Windward Islands. And its maximum sustained winds are at 35 miles per hour. And then its movement is west-northwest at 21 miles per hour. And then the minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars. So, watches and warnings. The Meteorological Service of Barbados has issued a tropical storm watch for Barbados, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines. And the Meteorological Service of St. Lucia has issued a tropical storm watch for St. Lucia. And the government of France has issued a tropical storm watch for Martinique.
For you, why would you say that?
And then all the watches. That stuff I just said.
Honestly, who asked?
So at 5 p.m. AST, the disturbance is centered near latitude 9.6 north and longitude 43.7 west. The system is moving towards the west-northwest near 21 miles per hour. This motion is expected to continue with an increase in forward speed during the next couple of days. On the forecast track, the system will pass near or over portions of the Windward Islands or the southern Leeward Islands on Friday. Then it will move into the eastern Caribbean Sea late Friday and Friday night and move near the southern coast of Hispaniola on Saturday. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some strengthening is forecast during the next 48 hours, and the disturbance is expected to become a tropical storm tonight or tomorrow. Tonight is looking the most likely scenario for this thing becoming tropical storm Elsa. Then the formation chance through 48 hours is high with 70% chance. And then the formation chance through 5 days is high with a 90% chance. And then the hazards affecting land for the system is the wind. Tropical storm conditions are possible in portions of the Windward and southern Leeward Islands on Friday. And then I heard you the first million times, Max.
Connor said who, Noah?
Okay.
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Did you?
Okay.
He also said asked. Asked.
Nice.
Asked.
And then the rainfall, the potential tropical cyclone will produce rainfall totals of 3 to 6 inches with maximum totals of 8 inches on Friday across the Windward and southern Leeward Islands, including Barbados. This may produce isolated flash flooding and mudslides.
Connor said, how are you going to let yourself get violated like that? Did you hear me?
I heard you the first million times,
I
Max.
actually didn't say it a million times. No, I really didn't say it the first a million times. I didn't say it a million times. Just let you know that. Did you know that?
And then the next intermediate advisory is at 8 p.m.
Are you racist?
And then the next complete advisory is at 11 p.m.
Being racist?
So, do they have a cone up? And they do.
Is Noah...
So on the cone, they don't have it making
they
it
don't
to
really have it,
hurricane
guys.
strength.
It's very interesting. Since the fact that McDonald's sells Burger King, and then
Take a look at it.
sheds,
Oh, they don't even have it up
Garfield
on
ate
H1
the
or
whole
this
entire
one.
Burger King. But how
They don't
McDonald's
have it
sells
up.
Burger King.
It's weird.
But that just makes no sense. But to Noah Burden, it makes sense.
It's weird that they don't have it on here.
No, okay, of course they don't have it on there.
But there's our system right there, entering in
No, how's
about
it going?
126 hours out. And then GFS has it curving and making landfall on the Florida Panhandle and remaining at least a tropical storm all the way up until it re-enters the Atlantic. About 222, 216 hours out, and then goes out to sea. Then we don't I don't see any other tropical systems in the Atlantic or Pacific after this system moves through. So yeah. So let's go back over here now, and the tornado warning has been canceled. So that will do it for the live stream, guys. I will be back at 8 p.m. with a new advisory on potential tropical cyclone 5, or I will be back if there's a new tornado warning issued. Thanks, guys, and I will see you all